Hi everyone, today we're going to give you a tour of our new motorhome Chica.
She's a Swift Escape 674 Spinny Vogue edition. She's 7.41 metres long.
Let's go.
I'll start from around the cab area, and here we have the electric hookup. That's when you're on campsites, you can just plug in, use the electricity. And next to this, we've got a water tank. With a hose pipe, you can fill up the water. This is a little pump. If you haven't got a hose pipe and you've got a container, you can put the water in a container, and with a pump, you can suck the water and fill the tank up. Here we have the cassette toilet. It's a Thetford cassette toilet. You just pull it up and it comes out to be emptied. And put back. Click it in place, and that. Here on this model we have an external shower, and that just clips in, put it in there, and with the pump of the motorhome you just get cold water running through there, wash your boots, wash your dog, anything like that, cool down. And here we've got the vents for the fridge. We've got a tall fridge, so we've got two vents, top and bottom. And we come to the end on this side, we've got the heating vent. Now this could be warm when it's in use, so just be careful. And round the back here, we've got the two-lay bike rack. This one holds 3 bikes with a maximum load capacity of 60 kilos. And up there we have the rear view camera, which is ideal for reversing purposes. And if I come round to this side, we've got a small garage, which is quite long at the back, but only small there. And it's ideal for our pole, for our awning, which we've got fitted. This is the LPG locker. We had the Caligas system, but we changed it for the gas low system, which has got 2 bottles, 11 kilo bottle and a 6 kilo bottle, and they're refillable gas. And to refill it, we pull this off and use a nozzle and fill the gas up from petrol stations or anywhere that sells LPG. And then we also have an external 230 volt electric 3-pin socket, which is only be used when we're on electric hookup. And next to this we have a gas barbecue point, which runs off the gas low system. And on the Spinny Vogue edition, the hab door comes with a window as extra. Moving along, here we have the diesel point, where we fill up with diesel. The motorhome comes on the Fiat Ducato cab. It's got a 2.3 litre engine with a 130 brake horsepower. They've got electric window buttons on the door, along with electric mirrors. The steering wheel's got audio control buttons. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. And up here we have a rear view camera, ideal for reversing and parking. Above the radio we have a flip up holder, ideal for mobile phones or extra sat navs. The central column comes with a DAB radio with built-in sat nav. And below that we have the air cons and the temperature gauges for the cab. Over here we have a USB point and a 12 volt electric cigarette lighter point. And the most important part of the cab are these 2 cup holders. They're extra large with these squishy things into old big cups. And finally, there are 2 captain chairs that turn around to face the back. Over to you, Jules.
Okay, thanks Rick. Let me show you down the back first. We've got 6 storage lockers, which are quite generous. You can fit anything in there, from your clothing or your bedding or even shoes. There's loads of storage in there. Over here we have a nice size wardrobe where again you can fit lots of clothes on the rail or you can stack things in there, use it as storage. We've also got a table which is locked in there, which fits in the dining area here at the back. The seating area at the back is what we was looking for when we was searching for motorhomes. It's the U-shaped lounge which fits quite a few people on there should you have friends around. It's also, as you can see, it's got the hole for the table, so you can use it for dining if you want to. This also converts to a king-size bed, which we will probably use. If you just pull this clip and then pull this out, you then just pull all the cushions across and then put your duvet or sheets and whatever you want on there, and you sleep across the van this way. It's quite a nice size. It easily just pushes back like that. It's very quick. Okay, moving over here, we have the kitchen. We have a nice size oven with a grill underneath. At the top we have a 3-ring burner on gas, and it does have an electric ignition. Above that there's a microwave, usual microwave with a turntable. Quite useful when you're on electric hookup. And then over here you've got a nice size cupboard with your fitted mug or glass holders and plate rack. These don't move, so that when you're driving it's fairly safe. Then you've got space at either side of that. Underneath you've got the light switch, which has got some nice little spotlights there. 2 power points for your 3-pin plugs with a hole there for your cables. You've got lots of space here to work with. You can put an air fryer or your coffee machine or whatever you want there, with a generous size washing up bowl, your tap. Underneath that we've got another generous size cupboard which folds like that, so you can open it. In here there's a chopping board that you can use on your sink, and there's also a dish drainer, so that when you're washing them up you just put that on there and everything drains into the sink. Okay. Underneath that there's a drawer for your cutlery, which is quite neat. I didn't realise that was there when we bought it. Underneath you've got a nice generous shelf for all your pans or food or whatever you want to put in there, and again underneath that there's another storage area. Over here we've got a really nice size fridge freezer with a nice size compartment at the top, freezer compartment. When this lights up, it's got lovely blue mood lighting, which I love. You can work this on either your leisure battery, gas or electric hookup. So you just put this on auto and it will choose automatically the power supply that's appropriate to whether you're on hookup or gas. Above that we've got another storage cupboard. This is the aerial for the TV, which you can just twist easily to get your picture on the TV. And here is just a little puncture outfit. If you puncture, just use that. And underneath, again, we have another cupboard. It's a nice cupboard to put your shoes or anything in there, really. Down here, there's a 3-pin plug for your 230 volt and 2 USB sockets. Moving along, we've got the bathroom. This is a lovely size bathroom. We've got a generous size sink in here and it's a nice cupboard in there. Cupboard. You've got your halo shower. A nice cupboard above here for all your toiletries. And the towel rail there, which is really useful. You've got a toilet roll holder there, and the toilet, which uses the electric. It's got an electric flush. You can adjust this so you can turn it so you can fit. The shower area has got a curtain that comes all the way around so that you don't get the door and the toilet wet. Over here there's the TV holder bracket with the 3-pin plug, the aerial and the 12-volt power supply, so you can use your leisure battery or your electric hookup. Above here we've got a fan, which you open it up, you can have the air coming in or going out, and if you have another vent open it circulates the air. Okay, back at the front of the van now, we've got 4 more storage cupboards. These are a little bit smaller but still generous, so you can put clothes and bits and bobs up there. In the seating area, all of this converts to a double bed by you just manoeuvre the table and push it down, and then things flip up underneath and the cushions move, so that gives it a nice size double bed. And then the seat belts, you've got 2 travelling seats here with belts, and then over the other side there's another seat belt. With this, these cushions come off, this slides underneath so that someone can sit there, put their legs down there. This gives us 5 travelling seats. The 5 seat belts, or 5, maybe it's great for 2 adults and 3 kids. Above the cab we also have some generous storage that you can use once you're parked up. There's lots of room up there. There's also these reading lamps or spotlights on either side, which are quite useful. And then at the front you have the blinds for the night time. They just come across and click together. The side windows have got like a silver screen that clip on all around the cab, so that blacks it out as well. Some more features in the kitchen area. We have this pull-up table, which gives a little extension to your working space by the cooker. That easily pulls down again, just like that. We've also got a small bin on the hab door. It's quite small, but I'm sure it'll be useful for a day. And then above here we've got a carbon monoxide unit and a smoke alarm. Above the front lounge area there's another drop-down double bed. You just hold in the button and pull down. Along both sides of the bed there are net rails, so that if there's children sleeping up there they won't fall out. There's also a ladder for people to climb up easily. The bed has a really comfortable quality duvet mattress. It's also got a light which you can use for reading. Once you've finished, just pop the ladder back and then just push the button in and push upwards back into place. Really important when you do this, in the opposite corners up here there's a strap that you must ensure is fastened, and then in the opposite corner there's another strap. You must make sure that it's clicked in as well. This is to stop the bed from coming down when you're driving. Okay guys, that's the end of the tour. I'm sure you're going to see more of the van once we start our travels. Be sure to like, subscribe and ding the bell, and be sure to be notified of our next video. Our next one, keep a lookout for the haul. Thanks guys, bye.
Out and about.